Peace, family. Hope you guys are happy and healthy and doing well. I am gonna harvest some more turmeric. So I'm basically waiting until they kind of die out. I think these died out faster because they were in shadier spots. They came from my side garden. Excuse my patio. I am cleaning it. So let's see what's in these. And we're probably gonna dry it, hoping for a good harvest. And then we still have these over here that I'm gonna just let go. They still look nice and green. I'm gonna wait until a frost kills them off. It's gone down to 37 so far. That's the lowest it's been. We did harvest the loofah, but the loofah is still going. And we're going to let it keep going until it doesn't want to go anymore. But I did need to go ahead and start processing those. I have this turmeric over here. It still looks kind of green. So I'm waiting. And then I've got those turmerics in the corner. They still look green with a gangster lean. So we're going to wait to harvest those as long as possible. It's kind of warm right now. So let's see what we got. Let us pray. Oh, wow. Let it go. Okay, we'll get this one first. It was easier. Yay. Oh, there's a big old worm in it. Sorry, guy. Can he get back in there? There you go. The other way. Go the other way. Don't go in. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna have to get the worm out later. Oh, another worm. Sorry, guys. Don't this grow bag turmeric come through. You know I gotta wash it off, but I definitely think I got a little something there. And these worms are loving it. Sorry, can y'all see? Oh, snap. These worms are here. Let me wash this and get the worms out. And I'll get back to you. Ooh, I don't want to break my pot now. Marshall. Sounds like somebody burning something. Is there anything in here? Looks like a whole lot of roots. Anybody? Oh. I don't think this one has much. I can see a little something, something. I'm gonna have to wash this one off to see anything. Oh, there's a worm. I'm gonna have to wash this one off. Okay, family. This is what it's looking like. All of them do have some nice tubers. I'm gonna separate them and like actually wash them really well. But I'm super excited. I'm grateful for what we have. We will be replanting a lot. I think this might be the old piece. But look at this. Starting to get some of the orange turmeric out. These little pieces fell off, but you know we're not gonna leave them behind. And this one has some gorgeous color on it. So yeah, thank you for joining in our harvest. Peace. I wanted to show y'all what I've been saving to replant. See, they're big old, like there's still turmeric in there. I could cut that up and dry it, but I want some really nice bottoms to replant. So they're sitting in water until I find spots for all of them. And I have started replanting these other ones. These are all from that first, the ones with the leaves are all from that first harvest of the black turmeric that I did. Peace, family. I hope you guys are happy and healthy. We are about to harvest some more turmeric. We're super excited. I actually just gave some turmeric to a friend because we had a sleepover, so we blessed them with some fresh turmeric because we have more and we are blessed. We got to at least get this one that is leaned all the way over. It's all the way over, okay? I think I might plant it in a bigger container next time, because that container is laid all the way down. So we should at least grab one of those. We might grab both. We also have this one over here. I think it's time to go ahead and get it. I think I saw a rhizome sticking out. I just covered it back up a little while ago. Sorry. Y'all can see here. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that. Maybe we're gonna make a family decision, but there's one in the front that I know we're gonna get, and there's one in the front that I know we're not going to get, and there's one more on this side that we're not going to get yet because it still looks very green, mostly green, and I want to just let it go until, you know, till it don't want to go no more. And also I don't see anything kind of like popping out here, so I want to wait and see if the frost will kill it. But that other one got a gangster lean, so we're gonna pick it up out the ground. And the ones in the front are all the way yellow looking, so we're gonna grab them and let's see what we get. It's coming out the bottom?
I think so.
Oh. Ew. Grubs.
No, there's some grubs right there,
Is grubs over there?
but yeah, that's good.
Oh no, there's a turmeric. It's coming out the bottom. Yay! Oh, this is them.
Big balls.
The turmeric got big balls like Billy. Big ball Billy. Yes and no. Like I've seen people build houses with a certain type of clay that gets hard, like cement.
I said dirt.
I
Like
feel
if
like,
you put water in it.
but what makes it dirt? Natural from the ground? Because there's different type, like depending on where you live, there's different types of dirt in the ground.
Yeah.
Like some places they have like sandy dirt, I guess if that's what you would call it, because they live near the beach. You know?
It's kind of like sand and regular dirt, and I don't know what else it's supposed to mix in, but that's all I can think of.
Okay.
Because it's kind of orange like sand.
Oh. Okay. You know in Nigeria they have like a red clay, which is cool. I have to show you on my video.
This one guy built a puppy mansion.
What? A mansion for puppies?
Yes.
That's crazy. Y'all know the puppies love that. Ooh, I cannot break this. Okay, I'm about to record. And we'll talk more about it when I'm done, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hey family. Look at all this. So, we decided to harvest. These containers are not even the right shape anymore. And I think we're gonna get a great harvest, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about how much turmeric we can grow for the 2025 season and how successful we've been. I would definitely recommend that you try growing turmeric if you are a first-time gardener, because you can really start it in the fall or in the winter, and you can just leave it until the next fall or winter and have a great success rate with it. I think one thing about gardening is growing things that you can be successful at. And sometimes we don't feel like we have a lot of time or energy to put into something. And this is definitely a crop that you can still grow if you feel that way. So, let's start with one. Now, y'all know I'm going to save my soil. So, I have this container. And I'm just going to try to loosen this up and catch some of my soil, while also harvesting my food. Where's the other little container at? I thought I brought one to put the turmeric. That's okay, because I gotta wash it anyway. Well, this whole thing is like connected, so I guess I'll stick it in here. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a nice big old hand. What they call it, a hand? Don't nobody call it that, but it looks like a hand to me. And there's a worm in it. I don't know if you guys can see that close, but all of my turmeric has worms in them, and I love that for me. So there he goes. I'm actually gonna sit this in here and hope he crawls out. He did. He crawled out. And that's one harvest down. We'll wash that. It looks great. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. This one should also be an orange turmeric. This one had ants in it, y'all. It doesn't have ants anymore. But it was one of the ones over in that corner that had ants. And this container is misshapen.
Some big ones.
Yeah, it's misshapen. Like, I was like, bruh, I'm trying to wait, but I think I need to pick a bigger container next time because these turmeric really outgrew the container that they were in. This is so beautiful and medicinal. Like, it is medicine, okay? Medicine that you can grow at your house.
Might be
Uncle Dodo is here. Maybe he might want some turmeric to go. Because one thing that I love, absolutely love, about growing my own food is caring for my family and having medicine and fresh food for them to eat and drink, natural, healthy things for them to have when they're in my presence. I could not be more pleased with this harvest. I could not be more pleased. Alright, we've got one more. Is it coming in?
It was a guy going door to door selling just mulch. It's a good harvest so far.
Man, I'm telling you, we are blessed. I'm
Is
so
that
happy.
one ginger?
Huh?
Is that one ginger or turmeric
It's
still?
turmeric. It's the black turmeric. This one's black. All the rest of them were in orange.
Oh.
This one's a little wet. I don't really like that. Got a lot of these little balls.
The black one seems to have more than.
The orange.
Yeah,
the orange doesn't really make it, does it?
I don't think so.
Not that I really recall. I'm gonna kind of separate the plants, I guess. Okay, that's good. Yes. I dropped a little nug. But this does have, oh man, this color is so pretty. I bust this open for my friend today. We had a sleepover and I popped it open. I was like, you want some turmeric? You want some black turmeric? And I popped it open. He was like, is that color? It's blue? I was like, yeah, you finna take this home. It's gonna bless your life. Like, this is so good for us. And I'm gonna replant all of this. Like all the big pieces. I don't mind sacrificing some of the big pieces. Like you can break nice pieces off and dry them or keep them fresh, but there's still a lot of turmeric, it seems like, in here. Like you get, like, I don't know what they call it, but I would call it like a mother type planter, where you know it's gonna produce more tubers next year, as opposed to having like a little nub, which will still produce it. You could keep it going to the next year, but you don't know how much you're gonna get off of it. So I really love these big pieces to save, and then I just break some pieces off of it, and it's good enough for us. So these are looking great. I'm almost done, and I will definitely wash them so you guys can see what they're looking like. But I have pieces in here. Oh, this is one of them. I think from what I've looked up, people say that these have the flavor of turmeric as well, but it's like milder. I just kind of replant these, so I don't really know. If you have like expertise on these little bulb things, let me know. But I'm gonna finish making sure that I fish out all the little pieces, and then we'll wash them and show you guys what we have. So we'll be back in a minute. Peace. Oops. It's on? It's on. Alright, we in the front. We're gonna try not to trample the jasmine.
We couldn't even cut the jasmine a little bit.
Do what?
I said we can trim it, I guess.
I guess. It's probably gonna trim itself when it gets cold, right?
True.
I'm trying to bother it. I'm just trying to get my turmeric. I'm gonna move these wood chips right on back to their rightful place. I don't know if I should dig a little. At least I won't be breaking it too much, huh?
See some?
Not yet.
I'm helping Mom.
Grab all of it at once. Cool. Oh, you two can just take them out.
Ooh, that broke.
I'll take it.
Okay, guys, maybe.
I will use this as a fan.
You want me to do one or the other?
Look,
Hold it or pull?
that's breaking. Huh?
Hold the jasmine or pull the turmeric?
I don't think I can put it in there.
You need a shovel?
I flipped that away.
Pause.
I used this, and
Oh no, I thought I paused
so
it.
it does work.
Yeah. Excuse me. Oh no, I think I have hiccup. Ooh, I still broke. I thought I had, you know. Oh. I'm just gonna have to dig it out, guys. That's just gonna have to happen. I have to pull them out. Just dig and see if there's anything else in there. We hope there's something else in there. Nice. Oh, there's a worm in there. He's probably like, what in the world? Well, I hope I didn't just dig up the jasmine root.
I think it'll be fine.
Oh, there's a whole frog in here.
can I see?
Look.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So, yeah, come on.
It's a toad.
Right here.
So don't touch.
Aw.
You're gonna get roots.
Yes.
He is cute, but I'm not going
If you get gloves, you can just pick them up and put them in our backyard.
I don't feel like there's as much here as I thought there was. Maybe I should have waited. But I feel like they all look super yellow. Maybe it's the soil, maybe. I mean, you know I'm going to replant right here.
Yeah, but
I'm about to
maybe
bury
we'll
some
just,
food scraps. And I'm
that could
about
have
to,
been more fluffy.
yeah, or nutritious. That's what I think. Because I don't feel anything. I don't think I left anything. But the containers did they thing, baby. And even these, I suspect if I stick these in water, which I actually did
They're
once,
probably real because it has
they
the
made
nodes.
tiny little roots on the side before I planted them again. I hope.
Yeah, if you
Can you see it in the camera?
it has the nodes. Yeah.
Okay, so these, even these, if you sit them in water for a little bit, they'll make some little roots over here, and you can even replant those. Leave them all season until the winter. You can leave them till the frost kills them off, and then you should have at least something to carry on to the next winter. So I'm gonna clean everything up, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like cleaned up. I am going to probably dry most of this. We will probably use some fresh, probably freeze some. I'll let you guys know what the plan is, but overall we're super excited and very grateful for our harvest of turmeric this 2024 season. We do still have another turmeric in the back. I'm not gonna kill it because it looks super green, and then we have one more turmeric over here that still looks green to me, and I don't feel that it's my job to kill this guy off if he's still going. I'm gonna go ahead and let a frost kill it all the way back before I harvest it. That one is an orange turmeric. The one in the back is also an orange turmeric, so we will get more orange turmeric. And what's important is the fact that we will be able to carry this on into the next season. So I will definitely be able to grow black turmeric. I will definitely be able to grow orange turmeric going on into the 2025 season. And I will have enough to share with others as well. And so this has definitely been successful for the year. Thank you guys for coming to our harvest, and we'll see you soon. Peace.
I was just wondering if you would put it.
Okay, family, so we got it all cleaned up. It is definitely a nice amount, and you guys know where it's going, into my favorite dehydrator. So happy with this harvest. And we still have this one, which still looks great. It still looks green, so I'm gonna let it go as long as it wants to go. And then we have the one in the front, but I'll bring you guys back for that harvest, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.